Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Bowdabra Scrunchy Ribbon. It's really a cool ribbon, and what I love about it is it crinkles all up. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to fold it in half, just like we do all the time, and lay that down into my Bowdabra. And I love these scrunchy bows. They're great for holiday ornaments or just for gift packages where you have like no time to do a gift. And what I love about this ribbon is I can scrunch it all up, but it has this really shiny diamondy edge. So it's meant to be scrunched, which is why we call it our scrunchy ribbon. So I'm gonna take a piece of my my gold, and then I'm also gonna take a piece of my silver, and we're gonna make a gold and silver bow. We also have the red, and so I'm gonna take one more piece of my gold. And I love mixing and matching these colors together. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is take my gold and scrunch this down into my Bowdabra. And that's literally all we're doing is just scrunching. And give that a good push. Then I'm gonna take my silver and we're gonna scrunch this. Now all of this is cut by hand, so sometimes the rolls might not be exactly the same length. And then now we'll take this piece and just scrunch the gold in here. And you'll see why we call it our scrunchy ribbon, because it just scrunches. Just scrunch it all down in here. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand, give everything a good push, then take my Bowdabra bow wire and bring it up, pull it through my slip knot, hold everything really tight still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm gonna separate my ends, bring it around. Now I'm gonna have to find the spot where it will go. Here we go. Bring it around to the back. And I'm just going to tie a knot, and then I'm going to tie another knot. And what's cool is if you wanted to use this as a holiday ornament or just to hang up around your house, all you do is take your Bowdabra bow wire, bring it up here, and just make a nice little hanging piece. So we'll just knot that and knot it again. And I'll just clip the ends here. And now you can leave it the way it is and hang it, or you can like kind of puff it out. And what's cool about it is the more you put into the Bowdabra, the puffier it will be. So isn't that just a cute little bow and so super simple? Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.